Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram application. So let's just right away jump into the tutorial. Open your Instagram application and there will be like 5 options or sections down here. Now you just need to visit your profile section, and this profile section you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be like 3 sections there, so make sure that you choose these 3 straight lines, and after that go with the settings and privacy. Now you just need to scrolling down until you found the what you see here, and then you just need to go click the lastest one, which is the like and share counts. Go click them. So to hide likes you just need to go click this button, and now you will not gonna see the like counts for every content that appear on your Instagram account. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.